How to turn off voicemail on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off voicemail on your iPhone. So let us just get started. First, open up your settings. After you open it up, scroll down till you find the phone option. Now, if you are on iOS 18 or above, you will see the apps section on the bottom. Tap on apps and go to the phone section. After you tap on phone, these are the settings that will be available for you. Scroll down and you'll find call forwarding. Make sure that this is turned off. Now this will prevent your calls from getting forwarded to voicemail. Now under the new settings, under the new update, you will also see an option called live voicemail. Make sure that you toggle that button off too. After you toggle that button off, your voicemail services will get turned off, and that is basically how you turn off voicemail on your iPhone. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to App Hacks, be sure to subscribe and